Hey guys, it is the long anticipated skin flake video. I'm just kidding. I don't even know if anyone cared to see this. I don't really think anyone said they did, but I like to see these kind of videos because I want to see it before and after for plastic surgery. So, a little update. First of all, welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before, and you're going to be able to start with me on my plastics journey, which happens January 19th. Is my surgery date. So very excited. I am spending one night in the hospital, and then I'll be out and off and running with my new tummy tuck. So I'm having a tummy tuck. I'm just having the horizontal, tummy tuck. I don't know what they call it, traditional. They're going to do the abdominoplasty with, I'm not sure if that's the term for the sewing the abdominal muscles, but that's what they're doing, muscle repair with abdominoplasty, I think is technically what that's called. So getting the muscle repair done because the kids, the muscles are like this. I've talked about that before. And they're going to lipo the mons area, which is like the pubic area, because that gets like a fat pad on it. So they'll lipo that, and then when they do the tummy tuck and reconstruct my belly button, then things should lay quite a bit flatter. Obviously, there's going to be some swelling. My surgeon's office does not do overkill on like preparing me for this. I don't know if they're going to call me again. I will be, asking questions of them, but I feel like they just sent me the hospital brochure to inform me on like how to prepare for surgery. So I definitely need more information than what they're giving me. But if you have questions, like feel free to answer or ask below, and I will be happy to answer those for you. And also, I would love all of your tips for plastic surgery, tummy tuck especially. So if you guys can DM me on Instagram, VSG is where I'll be talking the most about plastics. So stay tuned with that too, because I will try to update throughout the journey as far as surgery day and then post-op and things like that. I'll try to have my companions that are coming with me. My cousin is supposed to be coming with me to my surgery and taking me there. And then I'm hoping one of my best friends who just graduated nursing school, just got her nursing license, doesn't have a job yet because she's in that period of looking for a job right now. I'm hoping she doesn't have a job, or doesn't start her job, I should say. I want you to have a job, Becky. I just don't want you to start it yet, so that you can be with me for my surgery weekend. Hoping that she's going to be there with me for like the first 48 hours. She's also had plastics herself, so that will be a really helpful thing because she's had drains and that kind of thing. I'm not looking forward to that. They're telling me 2 drains. I think it'll be fine. I'm not like worried about it. I just know it's kind of gross, but there's going to be a lot of things that are gross, so I'll get over it. I'm a little nervous about, the kids being around, and Lily is kind of queasy about stuff. And so I'm just, concerned for them. And I know she's probably going to have to help me with some of the things. I have friends that are going to check on me. I don't really have a lot of family around here that would be willing to do, like come in and take care of me or anything like that. So I'm relying on friends and or family that I'm friends and close with. So there's that. I think that's mostly it. I'm going to be preparing ahead of time. Someone had asked me about like single mom perspective. So I'm a single mom, if you didn't know that already. I really have to kind of do some meal prep ahead of time and have things ready for Lily and Dylan to like throw into the oven or defrost and just be, able to heat and eat kind of stuff, and have people checking on me as far as like the housework goes. They'll be helping out around the house, but I will try to vlog about it if I can, and then maybe like the meal prep stuff and including you guys on that. I'm going to do the best I can. It's such a busy time, especially just being back to work, and physically, my shoulders and neck have been really, really hurting me. There's been a few nights of just crying and pain, and coming home and just laying in bed on my heating pad because the pain has been so bad in my neck and shoulders. I have to see a doctor probably for that too. I've seen the chiropractor and I don't know what's going on. But so just lots of things to put into perspective, not having a partner that will take care of me or be around to make sure that the house doesn't turn into crazy, messed up place. So those are things that you know, I just have to remember to be conscientious about, and I want to be prepared as far as bandages and dressings. They're going to provide me with garments. She said that there's like a really tight garment for right after surgery, if I remember correctly. And then she said I could wear like Spanx type of, you know, underwear that go right above, right underneath your bra for like later on. So I don't know. I'm clueless, guys. So, I mean, I have asked questions, but I don't know what to ask all the time. And only from watching videos of you guys and, you know, looking at Instagram photos and stuff like that. I really am confident in the surgeon's work. I saw a lot of his work online or I'm sorry, he showed me a lot of his work, and then I have read reviews and stuff online. So I'm confident in him. It's just, you know, the preparation, you know, I don't feel super confident about, you know, I guess being prepared afterward, because I just see so many of you guys that are so prepared and have made videos and like talk about like what wedge to get, like do I need a recliner in my living room? I'm thinking I need to probably pull a TV in my room, as I don't have a TV in my room, just so that I can be comfortable. And then I'm like, well, some people don't even want to be in their bed. So it's just like part of it is waiting and seeing how this all pans out. Anyway, I'll get to the skin flick portion and I'll see the best way to film this. But so I'm just going to show you my abdomen area because that's what's getting worked on. Okay, that's it, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm hoping you can see okay. I just have my shorts on, as you can see, and I can't get my head in the frame very well. But here is, I gotta relax it so you can get the full effect here. I'm gonna look over here so I can actually see what I'm filming. So here is my extra skin. You can see it hangs down significantly. Here's the Mons area that I was telling you about, and then, you know, you can see the overhang. I instinctively hold my stomach in because this is such a big, you know, this is a big deal. And then he's going to repair the muscles. He said he liked my ab muscles, as I mentioned before, but I'm just going to give myself a little plug again that my abs were satisfactory. Actually, he like made an extra comment about my abs. So yeah, you can see it's a big deal. It's a lot of weight. Here's the front view. A lot of extra skin, a lot of fat there still, but he did say I was a good weight and candidate to have it done. It just feels so weird to just let this hang out. Gosh, okay. I'm going to put that back together. I think you guys got the idea. So there's that. You've seen my full abdominal area now, which I have actually posted on my Instagram, EmilyAMVSG. So you could have seen it there previously, but I probably was just instinctively holding in that picture. I can't remember, but so that's like letting it all hang out, which was really weird when I was doing the consultation to just like let my stomach hang out. I don't know if anyone else had that issue, but it was just a very unnatural feeling just because I've been holding that in for so long. Maybe that's why my abs are nice. I don't know, from, you know, holding in. But I'm really excited. I'm so excited to have a new body for next summer. I'm just excited to be able to wear pants and not be like tucking that in, because right now it's just like a tuck fest, and I always have to wear high-waisted jeans because of that. Mid-waist jeans I can get away with in pants, but it's like tucking things in is just a nightmare. So I'll be able to tuck shirts in. I'm so excited, like wear dresses that are a little more, drapey fabric that kind of clings a little bit more, because I'm not going to be worried as much about, lumps and bumps in the abdominal area. It's really tricky wearing like a fitted maxi dress, and I like to wear fitted clothes because fitted clothes are the most flattering for you, or at least if you're wearing like a baggy top, you want to wear a fitted pant. Vice versa. Let me know if you want to do like a fashion video. I would be happy to put together the knowledge that I have kind of played around with and come across post weight loss surgery for you. But so yeah, you want to have some fitted shapes, and it's hard to do with all that extra abdominal skin. So looking forward to that, and I'm just looking forward to getting it past me and having it done and not being concerned about the recovery, and because I'm in it. Yeah, I guess I'm not looking forward to the surgery itself. It makes me a little nervous, but for the most part I feel good. I've had three or four surgeries in the past. I think 3. And, it's not as bad as I anticipated. So thank you guys if you made it this far. I just love you guys so much, and I would do anything for you. So that is, you know, in case you can't tell by the way that I'm talking on this video, that's really hard for me to put that out there. There are so many people that I know that watch my videos. I know them personally, and even people that I've dated sometimes watch my videos or date. So it's just a very vulnerable thing to show, and I just love you guys and want to do that for you. And you know, I'm not embarrassed. It's not something to be embarrassed about, but you know, it's not like I'm putting my best foot forward by showing that to you. What I'm doing is just showing you guys where I'm starting from, and then I'll show you the after, of course. And follow the Instagram, Emily AM VSG, and then my personal Instagram, if you guys are interested, is Ginger Life Goals. Love to have you there too. Snapchat, Emily AM Official, but Instagram stories will be a big one for my plastic surgery. So I think that's all I wanted to say. If you have questions, feel free to ask them below. I try to respond to almost every comment if it's constructive. You know, I really try to get back with everybody, and I read all of your comments, and nothing gets lost on me. So if I ever miss one, you know, feel free to remind me. I do have, you know, downtime, especially with a new job, where I might miss a couple days of checking YouTube, but I try to do my best. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being supportive on this journey for me and all the information that you guys have provided me so far. And I asked some questions on Instagram stories the other night and got some responses as far as, you know, what to look for surgery ahead of time and stuff like that. So thank you guys. I love you. I will see you in the next video.